Today, I am reviewing GMKtec Mini PC 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been looking for a compact, powerful, and reliable desktop alternative that doesn't take up much space, but still delivers incredible performance, then the GMKtec Mini PC powered by Intel's i5-12450H might just be what you need. In this review, I'll take you through its design, performance, storage, graphics capabilities, connectivity, and overall value, so you can decide if this little powerhouse deserves a spot on your desk. Let's start with the processor. This mini PC is powered by the Intel Core i5-12450H, which is an 8-core, 12-thread processor capable of turbo boosting up to 4.4 GHz. That means whether you're handling business tasks, online classes, office work, or even demanding applications like video editing, 3D rendering, or light gaming, this processor is more than capable. In fact, it runs faster than some older i7 and Ryzen 7 chips, giving you excellent performance while keeping power consumption efficient at only 45 watts. Now, let's talk about memory and storage. The GMKtec Mini PC comes with a massive 32 GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM right out of the box. That's a huge amount for multitasking, whether you're running virtual machines, editing large photos, or juggling multiple applications at once. Pair that with the 1TB NVMe SSD, and you get blazing fast boot times, near-instant file access, and plenty of space for projects, games, or media. And if that's not enough, you can even expand the storage up to 2 TB using an additional M.2 slot. On the graphics side, this mini PC uses Intel UHD graphics with support for up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz. It has 2 HDMI ports and a USB Type-C output, allowing you to connect up to 3 4K displays simultaneously. That's perfect for productivity setups like stock trading, video editing, or even just having multiple windows open for work and entertainment. While this isn't a dedicated gaming machine, it's more than capable of handling casual games and smooth media playback without breaking a sweat. When it comes to connectivity, the GMKtec Mini PC really shines. You get Wi-Fi 6, which means faster and more stable wireless internet, Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connections with headphones, keyboards, and other accessories, plus a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for high-speed wired connections. This is a big plus for anyone who needs low-latency networking for video calls, file transfers, or online work. The number of available USB ports is also generous, including USB 3.2 for fast data transfers. Design-wise, this is one of the most compact and stylish mini PCs you can get. Measuring only about 5 inches wide and under 2.5 inches tall, it's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. It even comes with a VESA mount, so you can attach it behind your monitor and free up desk space entirely. The metal case adds durability, while the built-in cooling fan keeps performance steady without generating excessive noise. Another standout feature is its versatility. This mini PC is not only compatible with Windows 11 Pro, but also works with Ubuntu and Linux, making it a solid choice for developers, IT professionals, or anyone who prefers open-source environments. Whether you're using it for business, education, as a digital billboard, or simply as a home office PC, it adapts easily. On top of all this, GMKtec includes a 1-year warranty and offers responsive customer support, which adds extra peace of mind when investing in your setup. So, who is this mini PC really for? If you're a student, business professional, content creator, or someone looking for a compact, powerful, and efficient desktop replacement, the GMKtec Mini PC with Intel's i5-12450H is a fantastic option. With 32 GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, triple display support, and ultra-fast networking, it offers incredible value in a small package. In conclusion, the GMKtec Mini PC proves that size doesn't define power. It's fast, reliable, and versatile enough to handle a wide range of uses. Whether you need it for work, study, casual gaming, or even as a media hub, this mini PC delivers performance and efficiency without taking up space. If you've been thinking of upgrading to a powerful yet compact desktop solution, this one is Definitely worth checking out.